A new, powerful Chinese open-source AI video generator is out there. And yes, as you saw in the title, it's 100% free and you can create unlimited videos with it. But here's the crazy part. For a free tool, the quality is insane. The realism, the details, the motion. The videos I created using this tool honestly surprised me. And in this video, I'll show you how to use it properly and how to get the best possible results. Because if you use it the wrong way, you'll completely miss its real power. So the tool I'm talking about is Hunyuan AI. Now, technically, this is not a brand new platform. But recently, Hunyuan dropped new, powerful video models, and that completely changed the game. It went from okay to a serious competitor in the AI video creation field. And the best part, it's still totally free. So let's open Hunyuan AI. You'll find all the links in the description. First thing, change the language to English so we actually understand what's going on. Now click Login. You'll see multiple login options: email, phone number, and other methods. I'll go with email, then login. It's simple and fast. And once you're inside, you'll see the available video models. As you can see, these models are newly launched, and that's exactly why Hunyuan AI feels so powerful right now. We'll start with text to video. For that, choose the second model. It takes you to this page. Nothing complicated. Just write your prompt, choose your aspect ratio, select the video resolution, and hit generate. And here's something important. You don't wait forever. Unlike many free AI models where you sit there for ages, generation here is fast. Usually just a couple of minutes. Of course, it depends on how many people are using it at that moment. Now look at this result. This is insane. I wrote a crazy prompt. A white shark swimming inside a supermarket. And this is what it gave me. So, let's try something more natural. How about a white tiger jumping into a river in slow motion? Generate. The result is stunning. The realism, the details, the motion. Now, before we move to image to video, let's try one final prompt. This time, something purely cinematic. A sunset in the mountains. And here's the result. I won't talk too much. You can judge it yourself. Text to video, it definitely passes. Now, let's move to image to video, because this is where things get really interesting. Click on Multimodal Experience and select the first model. Now choose a photo and write your animation prompt. And here's the good part. Your prompt doesn't have to be complicated. You can describe the motion in simple, natural words. There's a prompt enhancer that can do the heavy lifting for you. I won't use it this time because I already have a solid prompt. Now let's generate. And here's the result. It looks cinematic. It looks clean. I really like the details, especially when his feet touch the water. That kind of small detail is what makes the video feel real. Now let's try something different. Something for a kid's story. For example, a wizard performing magic. Generate. And here's the result. This can definitely be used in a YouTube video, a short animation, or even a simple story scene. Now let's finish with something natural. A boat moving gently on the water. And as you can see, all the generations are consistent. No weird glitches, no broken motion. Everything works smoothly, and you can use this tool unlimitedly and for free. So if you found this helpful, I hope you subscribe and check out my other videos. You'll find a lot of useful AI tools and tutorials there. And by the way, besides these two video models, you'll also find other models on the platform. Image models. Even 3D models, I'll let you explore those by yourself. Now let's deal with the watermark. You've got two easy options. Zoom in slightly using CapCut or any video editor. Or go to this free website. I'll put all the links you need in the description. Upload the video, draw a box over the watermark, and hit remove. Here's the result. Clean. Now just download your video and you're good to go. Thanks for watching. And I'll see you in the next one.